ki khubor ka bate si TV. Lawan Rashaphi da ka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses. Experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Kikinhun repair gibikin thop the National People's Party Meghalaya State Union. Kakun Nyotrep National Awakening Movement. Bak United Nyotrep Movement hagak Nyotrep Unaitung ala jarap hosau Kynmaw Burom ya Lyngkhuh Sngi ko shispa prab kundai snem jung sim Tirot uklawat blalan nyarade banyakun dagat ma persya ya jinglet dan bo jung shipai bilat hagari khasi. Dalam kemat ya jinglet bu sentiu hakman udur mat bashirin yang jung sim Tirot bodana pelau jung State Central Library Shillong dikenang yalam bahakmat jung NPP Meghalaya State Unit Party pelasa kilang do menteri ke sarkar jella urakam ia sangma Dr. Dan Kuparwar, Uba Hamlet Sandoling, Uba HM Shangpliang, Kumjuru Kinoyalam Jangka NPP Women's Wing, dalam kemat dengan Dr. Jasmine Lingdo, Bat Kumjuru Kinoyalam Naka NPP Youth Wing. Kerbana kaliang jangka Khon Nyotrep National Awakening Movement dalam kemat Working President, Uba Thomas Pesa, Bat kaliang jangka United Nyotrep Movement dalam kemat Uba Charlie Jerani.
Whatever he contributed for the growth of this nation and for the independence of this is really really inspired us. And we can change the story, and we can change the destination, but we can change the history. Whatever he has contributed for the growth of our community, to protect the independence of our country and our community is really something that he is a great patriotism leaders, and the youngs of our today should learn how committed for his own people, how committed for the growth and the independence of his own people, of the great nation. And because of their contribution, because of their patriotism, we are here at this level. So thanks to them, and such great leaders that are our state continue to have this kind of things. Let's go.